So I'm obsessed with amethyst, as you can see. So this cute little, I discovered one a cute little bracelet also came yesterday for me, because I'm like, jewelry from Rajasthan is at another level. Yeah, I mean, really, this is in fact, all kinds of, be it outfits, be it jewelry, and I don't know, cosmetics, but these two things, the kind of outfits and jewelry, things from Jaipur really have a certain class of their own, and this is also from a certain. It's called Gehena Jaipur. That's the brand, and you can find it on Amazon. And amethyst, yeah, I feel among all the stones, amethyst is literally the queen of all stones because it helps you with intuition. But no, for those of you all watching and must be thinking like, what on earth is she saying? How can stones help you? But these are, in fact, it's been said, right? Even stones are alive at some level, and I've seen this to be true. Like, I just know this, that when a stone literally completes their task with you, on its own, the stone leaves. I know it sounds like metaphysical mumbo jumbo, but it's true, yeah. Like they say, no, there's no such thing as an accident in the universe. So I've seen with regard to stones also, like at a certain phase in your life, when you need a stone, somehow that stone will find its way to you. I mean, someone will gift you, or you'll just feel like you should order this particular stone online. But and then when the time comes, it will, on its way, it will slip off from your hand or something like that. I've just seen this happen many times. I mean, in terms of, you might say, slipping, no, you all might say, no, no, slipping is carelessness, but no, it is, that stone was meant to be with you during that time, and then it takes off on a journey of its own. And that's true for everything in life, right? Friends, relationships, no, yeah, really, the more you wear these stones, a lot of buddhi kind of descends on, you suddenly become very intelligent. Whatever, wisdom. it, and the person who has who has collected enough wisdom is truly accomplished what they've come on this earth for. So really, people, this video is like never ending. It's going so long. But Gehena Jaipur is an awesome brand on Amazon, and you all can check it out for amethyst stones. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.